What's up, everybody? Today we are actually at a car meet. First time at a car meet on the channel. We have a couple of nice cars that have Fox bodies. In fact, there's actually a really nice Fox body leaving right now. White one way over there. Got a Honda. We got lots of Hondas. We're gonna watch this Mustang peel out. Oh, I wish I was recording this. We almost watched a Mustang wreck. Blue Fox body. Yeah, so got some nice cars here. Well, yeah, nice cars. We got imports, we got muscle. Oh. Yeah, I ain't doing nothing.
Yeah, that's a good actually.
Got a Miata. Got a Honda, Mustang. Yeah, we got a good lineup of cars. Yellow Focus ST. Animate out Focus ST. V-Dub. Nissan Z. 350. Another ST. Oh, we got a cross quick. We got a Subaru STI. Oh, what do you know? This is Jetta. We gotta go check out the Jetta. Well, so we got a VR6 Volkswagen Jetta. Hey, you know LeBron, right? LeBron, right?
Huh?
LeBron.
What?
LeBron.
Yeah.
Yeah, I figured because he used to own this Jetta before, right?
Yeah. So you know he used to be on concerts and shit.
Yeah, I'm recording this for YouTube also.
Yeah, he has. Well, he has a red Jetta that's 3 pounds.
Yeah. I'm gonna try to get that. We already have that one on YouTube, actually.
That thing's nasty.
Oh.
Great,
Volkswagen? Mustang? Alright, man. So far, pretty nice turnout. Got them STIs. Oh, we got, yep, there's the V-Dub. Mustang whipping out. GTI, BMW. What is it, GTI?
Right next to John?
Ooh, some nice cars.
Yes.
Oh yeah, it's a GTI, alright. Ultima. Camaro. That's what I'm talking about. I'm gonna walk over here. We got the nice V-Dub again. We got a Miata. And a Miata. Looking pretty fly. Fox body just left. We got another Fox body over here. Another Mustang leaving. Corvette. We got some nice cars. Camaro. And here's the GTI. Now this guy's really cool. Dodge. RT? Yep.
Because on my way to Josh's house, I found that car.
Mustang Mustang feeling out. My brother's Fox body. Hopefully I can get the video up of us going to the drag races. Because we have a pretty sick intro now. Nice Mustang. This is on YouTube, bro.
You care if he shows the car on YouTube? He's just going around looking at cars. You don't care?
Oh, sick.
Huh? Hey, I didn't fucking have it, pussy. You didn't talk to Holmes. He already sold it.
Bro. Nice Fox body. Yo, what have you done to the Fox body?
It's got a 5.3 in it.
All right. Just, bro, I've been in the car my entire life. Alright, now we need to go get that Corvette. Look at this. Nice Corvette. Mustang leaving again. All the Mustangs want to go. Is this a system? SGI again. See if there's anything new. So I'm leaving. So far, nothing new. Really clean. Got a Honda SI.
Cool. Good seeing you guys. Cool seeing you. Yeah.
No, the guy bought it from me. Told me he put the radiator and coil over here. But oh yeah, it's fine.
There's some nice cars over there too. Very nice. Got an El Camino. Tricked out Honda. Not bad. Chrysler. What's going on over here? Older Honda. So far that's just this meet. There ain't much off to show. Well, actually there's a lot to show. But I've already showed off everything. Really nice meet though. I like a lot of the cars here. I am digging this Miata. Very clean. Alright, well, my phone's running out of room, so I guess I'll see y'all later. And peace.